Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, now open page number 145 in your maths textbook. Students, today we will learn subtraction by borrowing. Now pay attention here. Sometimes the digit we need to subtract is bigger than the digit it has to be subtracted from. Students, what happens? Sometimes the digit we need to subtract is bigger than the digit it has to be subtract from. Okay, so in such cases we need to regroup or borrow from the digit on the left. Students, in such cases we need to regroup or borrow from the digit on the left. Okay, now look at the given examples. Here some examples are given. Now pay attention here. Number 1, 563 minus 25. So how we will subtract this sum? Step 1 is subtract the ones. So first we have to subtract the ones. Okay, and here 5 being bigger than 3 cannot be subtracted. Okay students, here 5 is bigger than 3, so we cannot subtract 5 from 3. Okay, so what we have to do now? Step 2, take 110 from the tens column and add it to 3 ones. So what we have to do? You have to take 110 from the tens column and add into 3 ones. Okay, so 10 ones plus 3 ones, how many? 13 ones. Okay, so we will write here 13. We will cut 3 and write here 13. Then 13 being bigger than 5. Okay, so 13 is bigger than 5, so we can subtract. So 13 minus 5, 8 will remain. Okay, so change 6 tens to 5 tens in the tens column. Then what you have to do? You have to change 6 tens to 5 tens in the tens column. Okay, now step 3 is subtract the remaining tens. Then you have to subtract the tens place. Okay, so 5 minus 2, what you get? 3 will remain. Okay, now turn your page. Then step 4 is keeps the hundreds. Okay, then you have to keep the 100 place as it is. So 5 will remain here. Okay, so 538 is the answer. Now second example, 435 minus 268. So how we will subtract this sum? Step 1 is subtract the ones place. Okay, and 5 minus 8. Students, can we subtract 8 from 5? No. Why? Because 8 is bigger than 5, so we cannot subtract. So step 2 is take 110 from the tens column. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens column and add it to 5 ones. So 10 ones plus 5 ones, how many? 15 ones. Okay, so write down here 15. Then 15 is bigger than 8, so we can subtract. So 15 minus 8, 7 will remain. Okay, now change 3 tens to 2 tens in the tens column. Okay, now what is the step 3? Subtract the remaining tens, but 2 is we cannot subtract 6 from 2. Okay, so because 6 is bigger than 2. Okay, so what you have to do? Take 100 from the hundreds column and add it to 2 tens. Okay, so 100 plus 100 is equal to how many? 10 tens plus 2 ones, how many? 12 tens. Okay, so 12 is bigger than 6, so we can subtract. So 12 minus 6, 6 will remain. Okay, now change 400s to 300s. What you have to do? You have to cut 4 and write down here 3. So change 400s to the 300 in the hundreds column. Now what is the step 4? Subtract the remaining hundreds. So 3 minus 2, 1 will remain. Okay, so what is the answer? 167. Now pay attention on next page. Students, now we will do the exercise 5. Subtract the numbers. 582 minus 67. So what we will do? First we will subtract the ones place. Okay. So 2 minus 7. Students, can we subtract 7 from 2? No. Why? Because 7 is bigger than 2. Okay. So we cannot subtract. So what we have to do? You have to take 110 from the tens place. Okay. So 10 plus 2 ones. 10 ones plus 2 ones. How many? 12. Okay. So write down here 12. Now 12 minus 7. Yes, 5 will remain. Okay. So I will write here 5. Then what you have to do? Change 8 tens into 7 tens. Okay. So 7 minus 6. 1 will remain here. Okay. 7 minus 6, 1. Now what you have to do? What is the step 3? Yes, keeps the hundreds as it is. So here 5 is given. So I will write here 5 as it is. So what is the answer? 515. Now B, 435 minus 68. Students, now what is the step 1? Yes, first we have to subtract the ones place. Can we subtract 8 from 5? No. Why? Because 8 is bigger than 5. Okay. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens place. Okay. So 10 ones plus 5 ones, 15. So cut 5 and write down here 15. So 15 minus 8, 7 will remain. Okay. Then what you have to do? Yes, change 3 tens into 2 tens. Okay. Now can we subtract 6 from 2? No. Why? Because 6 is bigger than 2. So what you have to do? Take 100 from the 100 place. Okay. So 10 tens plus 2 tens. How many? 12 tens. Okay. So 12 minus 6. 6 will remain and change 400 into 300. Okay. So what we will write? 3 we will write as it is. Okay. So 367 is the answer. Next C, 326 minus 49. So what you have to do? Subtract the ones place. Okay. 6 minus 9. Can we subtract 9 from 6? No. Why? Because 9 is bigger than 6. Okay. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens place. So 10 and add 6 ones. So 10 plus 6, 16. So I will write here 16. Then 16 minus 7, 16 minus 9, 7 will remain here. Okay. Then what we have to do? Yes, change 2 tens into 1 tens. Now can we subtract 4 from 1? No. Why? Because 4 is bigger than 1. So what you have to do? Take 100 from the 100 place and add 1 tens into them. So 10 tens plus 1, 11. So write down here 11. Then 11 minus 4. Yes, 7 will remain. Okay. So what you have to do? Change the 300s into 200. Now I will write here 2. Okay. So 277 is the answer. Next D, 293 minus 64. So first you have to write the given numbers. Okay. 293 minus 64. Okay. Now subtract the ones place. Can we subtract 4 from 3? No. Why? Because 4 is bigger than 3. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens place and add 3 ones into them. So 10 ones plus 3 ones, how many? 13. So write down here 13. Now 13 minus 4, 9 will remain. Then what you have to do? Change 9 tens into 8 tens. So 8 minus 6, 2 will remain and keeps the 100 as it is. So 229 is the answer. Next E, 851 minus 46. So first I will write the numbers 851 minus 46. Now subtract the ones place. But can we see Can we subtract 6 from 1? No. Why? Because 6 is bigger than 1. So take 110 from the tens place, and 10 ones plus 1 ones 11. So 11 minus 6, 5 will remain. Then what you have to do? Change 5 tens into 4 tens. So 4 minus 4, 0 will remain and keeps the 100 as it is. Okay, so I will write here 8. 805 is the answer. Next, 740 minus 90. So 740 minus 90. Now subtract the ones place. Can we subtract 9 from 0? No. Why? Because 9 is bigger than 0. Okay. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens place. So write down here 10. 10 minus 9, 1 will remain. Then change 4 tens into 3 tens. Okay. So cut 4. Now 3 minus 1, 2 will remain. Okay. And keeps the 100 as it is. So 721. Next, 781 minus 464. Okay. So subtract the ones place. Can we subtract 4 from 1? No. Why? Because 4 is bigger than 1. Okay. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens place and add 1 ones into them. So 10 ones plus 1 ones 11. So I will write here 11. Okay. Cut the 1 and write down here 11. 11 minus 4, 7 will remain. Now change the 8 tens into 7 tens. So 7 minus 6, 1 will remain, and at last subtract the 100 place. So 7 minus 4, 3 will remain. So 317 is the answer. H. 640 minus 325. Now what you have to do? Subtract the ones place. So 0 minus 5. Can we subtract 0 minus 5? No. Why? Because can we subtract 5 from 0? No. Why? Because 5 is bigger than 0. So what you have to do? Take 1 tens from the tens place. So here write down 10. Okay. Cut the 0 and write down 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5 will remain. Now change 4 tens into 3 tens. Okay. So 3 minus 2, 1 will remain, and last subtract the 100 place. So 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. 315 is the answer. Next, I. 836 minus 529. So what you have to do? Can we subtract 9 from 6? No. Why? Because 9 is bigger than 6. So we have to take 1 tens from the tens place and add 6 ones into them. So 10 plus 6, 16. So 16 minus 9, 7 will remain, and then what you have to do? Change 3 tens into 2 tens. Okay. So 2 minus 2, 0 will remain, and at last subtract the 100 place. So 8 minus 5, 3 will remain. So 307 is the answer. Next, 708 minus 435. Okay. So first arrange the number 708 minus 435. Now subtract the ones place. So 8 minus 5, 3 will remain here. Okay. We can subtract because 8 is bigger than 5. Okay. So 8 minus 5, 3 will remain. Now subtract the tens place. So here can we subtract 3 from 0? No. Why? Because 3 is bigger than 0. So what you have to do? Take 100 from the 100 place, and 100 is equal to how many tens? 10 tens. Okay. So 10 minus 3, 7 will remain. Now change 700 into 600. Now 6 minus 4, 2 will remain. Okay. So 273 is the answer. Now 321 minus 107. 321 minus 107. Okay. So what you have to do? Subtract the ones place. Can we subtract 7 from 1? No. Why? Because 7 is bigger than 1. Okay. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens place. So 10 ones plus 1 ones 11. So cut the 1 and write down here 11. 11 minus 7, 4 will remain. Then what you have to do? Yes, change the 2 tens into 1 tens. Now 1 minus 0, 1 will remain. Then subtract the 100 place. So 3 minus 1, 2. So 214 is the answer. Last L. 824 minus 555. 824 minus 555. Okay. Now tell me, can we subtract 5 from 4? No. Why? Because 5 is bigger than 4. Okay. So what you have to do? Take 110 from the tens place and add 4 ones into them. So 10 ones plus 4 ones, 14. So cut 4 and write down here 14. 14 minus 5, 9 will remain. Then change 2 tens into 1 tens. Now 1 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 1? No. Why? Because 5 is bigger than 1. So what you have to do? Take 100 from the 100 place and add 1 tens into them. So 10 ones plus 1 ones, 11. I will write here 11. Now 11 minus 5, 6 will remain. Then what you have to do? Change 800 into 700. Now 7 minus 5, 2 will remain. Okay, so 269 is the answer. Okay students, so here we finish our today's exercise. Now our homework is write exercise 5, subtract the numbers in your maths notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.